In Italy, as you probably know, there is a big demand for restructuring, for equity that is addressed to special situations. Being the only, or at least one of the few institutional investor, private equity fund specialized on that, we have, of course, a very strong and deep view of the current situation. There is a lot of companies that require this kind of intervention. Unfortunately, there are a lot of constraints to be able to deploy a lot of capital in the Italian market at the moment. It's one of the issues. A new investor would like to, first of all, be able to make his own industrial plan and then to take control of the plan. Of course, being the Italian companies mainly owned and managed by families, entrepreneurs, it's difficult for them to realize and to accept that their equity is gone, and then a new investor will require a majority and the full control of the governance.